Students, good morning. Today we are starting chapter 3rd genetics of class 10th science book. Once again, today we are starting chapter 3rd genetics of class 10th science book. In this chapter include some topics like first is origin of genetics term or word. Second is definitions of genetics and heredity. Next, introduction of Mendel. It means Mendelism. Next topic is reasons for Mendel's success. Next is selection of garden pea plant. Next is rediscovery of Mendelism. Next is some specific genetics terminology, and last is Mendel's law of inheritance. So students, these topic include in chapter 3rd genetics. First of all, first topic is origin of genetics word. Genetics word originate Latin word gene or Greek word gene. It means to grow, to become. Once again, genetics term originate Latin or Greek word gene. It means to grow, to become. Next is genetics term given by William Bateson in 1905. Once again, genetics term given by William Bateson in 1905. Next, father of genetics. Father of genetics is Gregor Johann Mendel. Next is definition of Genetics. Students, genetics is a branch of biology. It means it is a branch of biology. In this branch, study of inheritance. It means generation to generation, and variations. It means if progeny or offspring are dissimilar or different to parent, so it is called variation. Once again, inheritance, it means generation to generation. Variation, it means if progeny or offspring are dissimilar or different to parents, it is called variation, called genetics. Next is definition of heredity. Next, another definition of heredity. Students, the transmission it means to transfer of hereditary. It means genetic character from parental generation to offspring is called heredity. Once again, the transmission, it means to transfer of hereditary, it means genetic characters from parental generation to offspring is called heredity. I draw a linear figure of heredity. Suppose male organism and this is female organism. After a specific age, male produce or male reproductive organ produce male gamete and female reproductive organ produce or develop female gamete. If fuse both male and female gamete and forms a specific structures, zygote. And next, in zygote, cell division and cell differentiation, so formation of a specific organism, it is called offspring, progeny or offspring. It means if parental generation, this is parental generation, this is progeny or offspring generation. If to transfer, it means transfer to genetic character from parental generation to progeny generation or to offspring generation, this process is called heredity. Next is heredity word or term given by Spencer. Once again, heredity term given by Spencer. Next is heredity term or word given by या coined by Spencer in 1863. Next, students, in this chapter some point are conceptual, like genetics term given by Bateson, father of genetics Mendel, heredity term coined by Spencer. These points are conceptual. Next topic is Mendelism or introduction of Mendel. Introduction of Mendel. Students, remember Mendel is a father of genetics. First born of Mendel 22 July 1822. Second born place of Mendel is Cilician village of Hagendorf, state of Austria, country of Austria. Once again, born place Cilician village of Hagendorf, state of Austria. Next is title of Mendel is Gregor. So full name of Mendel is Gregor Johann Mendel. Next, Mendel studied in philosophy subject and studied two other subjects like natural science and mathematics. Next, onset, it means initiation, business of Mendel is priest of church. Students, remember this church is located in Brunn city. So onset business of Mendel, it means initiation or initial business of Mendel is priest of church. This church located in Brunn city. Next is Mendel experiment on garden pea plant. Students, pea plants are located in this church or in this church garden, so it is called garden pea plant. Once again, pea plant are located or found in this church of garden, so it is called garden pea plant. Next is botanical name of garden pea plant. Botanical name of garden pea plant, students, remembers, it's called Pisum sativum. This is genus, this is species. Once again, Botanical name of garden pea is Pisum sativum. Pisum is a genus and sativum is a species. Next, total experiment timing of Mendel is 7 years between 1856 to 1863. Next, Mendel presented oven results to Brunn Society of Natural History. Students, remember this is a institute name is Brunn Society of Natural History. This institute located in Brunn city. Mendel's presented oven results or experiment results to this institute. Next, this institute to published Mendel experiment on the title of experiment on plant hybridization. So next, Brunn Society of Natural History. This is institute located in Brunn city. Mendel's presented oven results or experiment result to this institute. Published Mendel's experiments in annual proceeding entitled Experiments on plant hybridization. Once again, Brunn Society of Natural History published Mendel's experiment in annual proceeding entitled Experiment on Plant Hybridization. Next, Mendel died is 6th January 1884. Students, this is Mendelism or Mendel or introduction of Mendel. First is born of Mendel is 22 July 1822. Born Palace, Silesian village of Hechendorf, state of Austria. Second, title of Mendel is Gregor. Mendel is studied in philosophy subject, natural science subject and mathematics subject. Next, initial business of Mendel or on-site business of Mendel is priest of church. This church located in Brunn city. Next, Mendel experiment on garden pea plant. It means pea plants located or found in this church of garden. Second, botanical name of garden pea plant is Pisum sativum. This is genus, this is species. Next, experiment timing of Mendel is 7 years between 1856 to 1863. Next, Mendel presented own results to Brown Society of Natural History. And next, this institute published Mendel experiment in annual proceeding entitled Experiment on Plant Hybridization. Next is second. Next topic is reason for Mendel's success. Reasons for Mendel's success. First reason is Mendel selected the plant material for his experiment carefully. Once again, Mendel selected plant material. It means plant character or plant trait for his experiment carefully. This is first reason for Mendel's success. Second reason is Mendel studied the inheritance. Students, remember, inheritance, it means generation to generation or to transfer generation to generation is called inheritance of one character. It means one trait at a time. This is another reason for Mendel's success. Mendel studied the inheritance of only single character, only single trait, only single features at a time. And third is Mendel maintained the mathematical or statistical record of the experiments and analyzed them carefully. Once again, Mendel maintained the mathematical record. In this chapter, all of you study some specific ratio like genotype, phenotype of F1 generation, F2 generation. These are mathematical record. Once again, Mendel maintained the mathematical record of the experiments and analyzed them carefully. So, this is another reason for Mendel's success. Students, there are some specific reason for Mendel's success. Next day we start another chapter, another topic is selection of garden pea plant. So thanks, have a nice day.